Alright, so I'm gonna feed the crows today. So I'm gonna put some orange juice in here way quick because I need to do that. Okay. Alright. And then I've got some Reese's Pieces. And then over here I got some mashed potatoes, some string beans and peppers and mushrooms, some bacon, popcorn, water, a couple sandwiches, mini sandwiches with mushrooms in it. Well, not really mushroom in the other one, but there's mushroom in the first one. A tortilla with a bunch of chicken underneath it. Don't know what's gonna happen there. And then 3 pieces of meat, 3 chicken wings actually, kind of, and one of them's kind of broken up a little bit. Alright, so we'll see what we get today. And there's a crow right up there. That's right, it's right there. The crow's right there, and it's actually cawing right at that top tree branch. But there's also a cat right here. Yeah. And there was some bread right there. Oh, and yesterday I did put food out, but I only put popcorn Reese's, and none of it disappeared because I knew there weren't going to be any birds out. Look, there's already eating the meat. Man. Anyways, there's probably not going to be much left by the time I start feeding the birds, but oh well. That's just what happens sometimes, you know. Can't do anything about it, but